Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video we're going to see that how you can laminate the paper. You can laminate any document, even photos also you can laminate. Okay, so this is the item I purchased from Amazon. The name of that product is TEXET. Okay, and it cost me around 1100 rupees. Okay, and if you do not get any discount, then it will cost you around 1300 rupees around. Okay, so but you can laminate any A4 size paper or even short, let's say Aadhaar card, PAN card, any other item as well. Okay, even photos, let's say if you have a good quality photos, if you want to laminate it, you can do that with this. Okay, and if you want to buy, I can just add the link to purchase this product. Okay, so what exactly you need to do to start is you need to just plug in this wire to AC socket, and it will start. It will take around 2 to 3 minutes to heat up, and then this ready let's say LED will blink, or it will just not blink, it will just start. Then you need to just purchase the laminate paper and put the, I will just show you. See, you can see this is the certificate which I am going to laminate now, and I just need to put this over here in this side. Okay, but I will just show you how you need to put this. So there are two sides. One is open side and one is closed side. So you need to close insert the closed side towards this side. Okay, and then it will just start laminating. Okay, so I am going to put that now, and we can see how it is laminating. Okay, so now I am just putting this towards here in this gap. Okay, and so once we put it, will just start laminating. We just need to see that you are not there should not be dust, otherwise it will go inside as well. So you just need to remove all the dust, and once it passes this with this, then we'll see the quality. Even you can see that picture, let's say the quality is now the colorful. Actually it is much more colorful after laminating, so it is good and it is worth to purchase. Actually I thought of this, the quality of this product will not be that much good, but yeah, it is okay for a household thing. I think it is good, and it is good to buy within this price. So we can see that it is completely being laminated now, and even quality is okay. Actually it is good only, it is not that bad actually. So as I said, you need to remove the dust, otherwise it will not come properly. But yeah, it's okay at the moment for us now. Thanks.